I recreated this viral pink sauce. Before I show you how I made this at home, let's first dig into how this original pink sauce story went viral.
But what gives it that vibrant color? It's dragon fruit.
It's sweet, it's tangy, it's a little spicy.
Private Chef P started trending on TikTok after showing off this pink sauce she originally created. She quickly gained a lot of followers wanting to try this and soon created a demand.
I put my pink sauce on a pan and there you go.
What do you use pink sauce for? Is it a dipping sauce?
It can be used as a dipping sauce, a salad dressing. It can be used as a topping on pasta, pizza, rice.
So good. And it is so good.
Chef P started pre-sales in June. Then her sales went live on July 1st, 2022, where she started selling them at $20 a bottle. Plus shipping, some people mentioned paying a total of over $30 for this bottle.
I was $33 for the Pink Lady's pink sauce. It was $13 for shipping! But the review is on its way, and I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. So stay tuned if you want to see me try the pink sauce.
You're on social media. You probably know about pink sauce. It's this brightly colored condiment created by a chef in Miami. Have you seen this? TikTok posts on the sauce have racked up more than 250 million views, and people have tried it on everything from chicken nuggets to tacos. But now the creator of pink sauce has been at the center of a little bit of backlash, with questions raised about what's in the sauce and even whether it's safe for everyone to eat. And joining us now is the creator of the pink sauce, Chef P.
This rapidly started gaining more and more buzz on TikTok, not only because this was a unique color sauce, but also because viewers have started to notice some sketchy and misleading information on her product label, among some other things.
Everyone is asking me about an expiration, and I don't see one.
Here are some of the things people were talking about.
There is also confusion over the nutritional facts. The label shows a bottle of pink sauce has 444 servings. Oops, it's actually 444 grams. That comes to 30 servings.
So I know y'all want to know about these 444 servings. So there are 444 grams of pink sauce in each bottle. If you do the math, you will see the graphic designer made a typo and accidentally put grams in the servings instead of 30 servings.
Then people also noticed another typo. Vinegar was misspelled on her label.
Does pink sauce need to go in the refrigerator, or can it sit out on your shelf?
Okay, so that was another typo. So it says, please refrigerate.
It's not supposed to be keep refrigerated. It's supposed to be refrigerate after opening.
That's why we paused the production and we're printing new labels.
Then some people have noticed their bottles being bloated. This seems a little concerning.
Okay, y'all starting to scare me now. Do you see how bloated that bottle is? Why is it bloated? That comes from a buildup of bacteria that has created a gas due to lack of refrigeration. There are ingredients in this sauce that should be held at a certain temperature. It should be kept cold. And due to lack of refrigeration, bacteria has built up in the package, causing the plastic to expand. Do not eat that sauce. Read up on botulism right now.
Look at this! It don't even say pink sauce on this.
This customer says it came like this in the mail, in a Ziploc bag that leaked.
No, ma'am, we're not trying this. Look at this. It stinks.
Chef P has changed the packaging.
The packaging has been upgraded and she now sends them in these pink boxes. But another thing she has been dealing with.
There were a lot of trolls and a lot of people making fake reports saying that they were getting sick from the pink sauce. However, they never even made a pink sauce purchase. They were solely judging me from the video that went viral that I made in my kitchen. It's so bad down to the point that someone faked their death people were calling the Food and Drug Administration. The Food and Drug Administration reached out to the Food Health Services of Florida, and they came to my home. All of this false propaganda that's going on the internet, I'm just a victim of clout.
Everything has rolled out extremely fast.
Right.
You guys are judging a prototype. A prototype is when a product is not an official product. Mistakes happen.
Amongst all this controversy and skepticism, I think this story went viral because it had a lot of people talking about her struggles. Being in business only less than a month with a potentially great product. However, I don't want to judge all the backlash she's received. I'm more in it to really see how this pink sauce tastes.
So what does it taste like?
It's sweet, it's tangy, it's spicy. People say it tastes like ranch and it has more of like a consistency of a vinaigrette.
See what it tastes like.
Tastes good.
It's like a sweet seasoned ranch. That's what it tastes like to me. But since it's made with oil, it's a lot more like buttery and oily than ranch.
Here's a closer look so y'all can see what it looks like. Yeah, it just tastes like a sweet ranch to me, honestly. But it's good.
I'm very curious in trying this out. On her website, this is shown as her main ingredients, with a few more ingredients listed on her nutritional facts label. I'm not buying the bottle right now, personally because I feel it's still in its early stages being tested and seem to be going through improvements. So instead, as of now, I'm going to try and recreate this myself. A good thing about making your own food is you know exactly what ingredients you put into your own food. And I know for sure that it'll be fresh as soon as I'm done making it. With reference to her ingredient list, here are the ingredients I'll be using. Organic sunflower seed oil, Himalayan pink salt, honey, chili powder, lemon, 1 large garlic clove, mayonnaise. Now her ingredient list does not mention mayonnaise. However, I'm using mayonnaise because in one of the video clip I noticed what seems to be in this bucket on the side of her clearly looks like mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is used in many sauces to act as a binding agent. Without this, everything in this list would be pure liquid. Also, her ingredient list does say may contain soy and eggs. And it has oil and preservative vinegar, which all of that basically makes mayonnaise. And then I have the distilled vinegar and frozen package of dragon fruit cubes. This is what will naturally make the sauce pink. If you haven't tried dragon fruit, it's basically a very mild tasting fruit. Almost a cross between a kiwi and a pear is how I can best describe it. The ingredient list also says water and milk. However, I'll only add water if the final blend needs to be a liquidier consistency. I won't be adding any dairy to this. Alright, let's put this together. In my blender, I'll add 1/4 cup of sunflower seed oil. 1 cup of dragon fruit cubes. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 large garlic clove, which I'll dice up first. 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Cover it up. And this is everything in the blender, now ready to blend. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so the consistency looks pretty similar to the original pink sauce, being it's supposed to be a little runny then thick. So I won't be adding any water to this, otherwise it'll be just completely liquid. Now I'll use a funnel to pour this into an empty 12-ounce bottle. It almost filled up this 12-ounce bottle. Give it a shake and there it is, my own fresh homemade pink sauce bottle. Now I did have more dragon fruit cubes to be able to make another bottle like this. I'm excited to give this a try. So after tasting this sauce, I would say this indeed tastes like a sweet tangy ranch that's garlicky. Get a hint of chili, but not spicy at all. You would have to add much more chili powder if you want to taste some spice in it. But just like how most other people who reviewed it have said, it is similar to ranch, but sweeter, tangier, and garlickier, but much thinner consistency than ranch. Closer to a vinaigrette, like a slightly oily, buttery type consistency. I can see this sauce being good dipped or drizzled on many different types of food. Everything Chef P showed us. It's like a universal sweet tangy sauce. I'm gonna have to give her some credit at least for coming up with this pink sauce recipe. It's different and overall it's pretty good. She came up with a creative way to create a unique and natural pink sauce without any food coloring dye. Would I make this again? I would. Actually, I will. This can make a good topic conversation as well. Thanks Chef P for this inspiration. I wish you all the best in your pink sauce endeavor and I really hope it becomes a success. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.